Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an exciting tour inside an orange juice factory. Ever wondered how those delicious oranges turn into the refreshing juice you love? Let's find out. We're here at Sunshine Orange Juice Factory, one of the leading producers of fresh orange juice. Let's head inside. The process starts with the delivery of fresh oranges from local farms. First, the oranges are carefully inspected to ensure they meet our quality standards. The next step is cleaning and sorting. The oranges are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. High-pressure water jets clean the oranges, ensuring they are spotless before moving on. After washing, the oranges are sorted by size and quality. Only the best ones make it to the next stage. Now, it's time for the main event, juice extraction. The oranges are fed into machines that squeeze out the juice. The pulp and seeds are separated, ensuring smooth, delicious juice. The fresh juice is immediately filtered to remove any remaining solids. The juice is ready for packaging. The juice is poured into bottles, which are then sealed to maintain freshness. The bottles are labeled and packed, ready to be shipped to stores near you. From here, the juice makes its way to supermarkets, where you can enjoy it fresh and delicious. And that's how oranges are transformed into the refreshing juice you love.